Okay, kids, welcome back to another YouTube video. This time we are going to work on phonics. Buenos días, niños, ¿cómo están? Aquí este es un nuevo video. Hoy vamos a trabajar en la clase de phonics. Y para empezar, what letter is it? Hmm? I want to tell me what letter is this. What letter is it? Yes, that's letter D. 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 And what is the sound of the letter D? ¿Cuál es el sonido de la letra D? Yes, that's right. It is D, 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 D. This is D, D. Okay. Now, in this video, we are going to identify each picture by making a line from the letter D to the picture, right? To the picture, so we will know if this picture have the letter D on it, and we are going to learn how does the D sounds like. Okay, then we have couple works right here. Another work that we are going to work on in this video. So I hope this video doesn't take too long. So with not saying much, let's start. Okay, empecemos. Vamos a hacer una línea de la letra D a la imagen que tenga el sonido de la letra D. ¿Y cuál es el sonido de la letra D? What is the sound? Yes, it is D. 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 Okay. What is it? Dad. Dad. D. Dad. 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 Does it sound like the letter D? Yes, it does. It does sounds like the letter D. So vamos a hacer una línea de la D hasta el dad. Yo no puedo porque no sé cómo hacer una línea, pero ustedes captan la idea, ¿verdad? Okay, next one. What is it? Doctors. Yeah, the doctors. The doctors. The doctors. Does he have the letter D? Yes, it does have the letter D. Doctor. So we are going to make a line. Los doctores ahorita mismo son nuestros superhéroes en esta situación. Y si mal recuerdo, algunos de ustedes me dijeron que iban a ser doctores. O espero cuando yo ya esté viejo y me quieran curar no me cobren tan caro o mejor aún me lo den de gratis, ¿verdad? Okay, let's go to the next one. Duck. 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 Does it have the letter D? Yes, it does have the letter D. Yes, so we're going to make a line. Next one. Let's see. Rock. 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 Does it have the letter D? No, it doesn't have the letter D. It doesn't have the letter D. So we we are not gonna make a line. No vamos a hacer una línea. No. Okay, what is it? That's a girl. Yes, that's a girl. But I'm asking another thing. I'm not asking if it is a girl or a boy. I'm asking how is it called what she's wearing? She's wearing a dress, un vestido. Vestido en inglés es dress. So what is it? The dress. The dress. Dress. The dress. Does it have the letter D? The dress? Yes, it does. So we are going to make a line. Yeah, from the letter D to the dress. Next one. This one. Three. 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 Now, it doesn't have the letter D because the letter D sounds like la letra D suena the. Yes, three doesn't have the letter D. It doesn't. So we are not gonna make a line. No, línea no. Next one. This one. dog, the, dog, the dog. Does it have the letter D? Yes, it does have the letter D. Sí tiene la letra D. Escuchen. The dog. Yes. Okay, next one. In this case, we are going to identify the letter D. Vamos a identificar la letra D aquí. Okay. Pencil, 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 pencil. Does pencil have the letter D? Pencil tiene la letra D. Yes or no? Pencil. No, it doesn't have the letter D. It doesn't have the letter D. Let's go to the next one. Let's go to the next one. Okay, next one. What is it? What is this? Dinosaur. The dinosaur. The dinosaur. Does it have the letter D? Dinosaur? The dinosaur? Yes, it does have the letter D. So we are going to make a letter D. We are going to make the letter D right here. Okay, let's go to the next one. What is it? What is this? What is this? Donkey. The donkey. The donkey. Does it have the letter D? Yes. Yes, it does have the letter D. So we are going to write the letter D. Next one. Let's go to the next one. What is it? Doll. 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 D. Doll. Does it have the letter D? Does it have the letter D? The doll. Yes, it does have the letter D. So we're going to make a letter D. Nice, kids. Nice job. Okay. Now this is homework. We are going to do the homework. Homework right here. Okay. Página tarea. Estas tareas, página 27, van a ser lo que yo acabo de lo que yo hice hace poco de la letra D. Van a hacer una línea a las imágenes que empieza con la letra D. ¿Ok? Yo les voy a decir los nombres de cada una para que ustedes ya sepan si tienen la letra D o no. Duck, duck, duck. Mouse, mouse, mouse. Crayon, crayon. Doll, d, doll. Dog, d, dog. Donut, donut. Donut. Egg, egg, egg. Door, d, door. Door. Okay, guys. Ahora, next page, the other homework. En este caso van a escribir la letra D, la letra D, como hicimos también en el ejercicio anterior, ¿ok? Yo les voy a otra vez, les voy a decir los nombres de cada imagen para que ustedes ya sepan si tiene el sonido de la letra D o no. Dinosaur, the dinosaur. Dolphin, the dolphin. Wallet, wallet. Dog, the dog. Umbrella, umbrella. desk, desk. Cake, 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 cake. Leaf, leaf, leaf. Duck, 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 duck. Ok, ese es el video por hoy de la letra phonics. Sé que aquí eh, traten de que los niños identifiquen el sonido de la letra D en inglés, letter D. The sound is del sonido de la letra D es D. Ok, sin más que decir, muchas gracias.